Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. Now you guys can probably not see from over there, but the Pajero sign over here is very faded and it's actually starting to peel off on some sections. So I reckon it's time we freshen it up. So I basically went on eBay and bought a new set of stickers. So we're basically just gonna get rid of those ones, put the new ones on, and yeah, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can do it as well, because I reckon there's a lot of Pajeros with this problem. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll show you how to get them off, put the new ones on, and make sure you stick till the end, because I'm actually giving away a free set to any lucky subscriber, and all you got to do is comment down below why you want it, and yeah, I'll pick a lucky winner. So basically what I'm going to do is just heat up each letter just so the glue becomes loose and just makes it easier to peel off. Now you can use a heat gun for that. What I'm just going to use is a good old hairdryer. Yeah, this thing is probably as old as the mountains, but yeah, it will still work. It's just going to heat it up without like burning it, so don't use a lighter or anything like that, because you might damage the plastics behind it. But yeah, we'll heat it up and then we'll peel it off and go from there. Right guys, so as you can see, that came off very easily. Now you don't need a lot of heat at all to get it off. It's just to warm up the glue a tiny bit. But yeah, as you can see, it's now off. Now make sure you use a clean cloth. I know it's a bit dirty there, but it's clean up here, all right? So it's all good. And maybe in like an alcoholic based cleaner. I'm just gonna use paint cleanup. I'm not sure if that's all good, but it smells like alcohol, so I reckon that's gonna be fine. So yeah, let's quickly clean that up and put the new stickers on. Right guys, so as you can see, it's mostly cleaned up. Now what you want to do is not clean it up completely. As you look closer, you can see there's still an outline of the previous stickers. Now you want to have that just so you can apply the new stickers to the exact spot, to make sure everything is lined up perfectly just like it was before. So yeah, just make sure to clean it up nicely, but leave the outline there just so you have a guide where to put the new ones. So yeah, let's put on the new stickers. Awesome guys, well there you have it. That is the end result. As you can see, it's nice and bling again, and there's no more faded parts, which I absolutely love, and the Pajero looks nice and new again. So yeah, I'm very stoked, and I'm keen to give one set away to one of you lucky guys. So all you got to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel and also comment down below. You literally just have to comment a emoji if you don't want to say anything, or if it's a bit awkward and you don't know what to say, or just say good job, then and you're into the draw. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. As always, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, ask me any questions. But yeah, I'm stoked with the end result, and yeah, hope you guys can do the same and you find it helpful. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out guys.